Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. Let me fix my hair, y'all. I literally just washed them. Let me just fix them a bit. But anyways guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. Today we're back with another video. Let me remove my glasses because there's a glare. But anyways guys, so today's video I am going to be retwisting my hair, but I'm not going to be retwisting my hair. So you guys know, if you guys saw my last not my last video, 2 videos ago, I did injure my hand, you guys, and I cannot retwist my hair. I cannot style my hair. So for the last couple of weeks, well, for the last 2 weeks, I've just been having my hair down because I can't really do much because my hand I injured my hand, y'all, so I can't do anything to my hair. So and I've been wanting to retwist my hair for the longest now, but nobody wanted to do it for me. I asked my mom's like, I don't know how to do it, blah, blah, blah. I asked my sister, she keeps on saying yes and no, she's busy, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, ugh. So my boyfriend, I was like, well, okay, at first I was playing, I was like, do you want to retwist my hair? And he was like, yeah. And I was like, you sure? He was like, yeah. He was like, okay, just send me like like a video of how to do it, and he'll watch it or whatever, and he'll do it. And I was like, okay. So yeah guys, so this is what's happening. I'm actually waiting for him. He's actually late. He's supposed to be here. He was supposed to be here an hour ago, yeah, but he's not here. But yeah guys, so that's what's going to happen today. My boyfriend is going to retwist my hair. Well, I'm not gonna say he's going to. Well, he's gonna attempt to retwist my hair. I'm gonna try to record as much as possible. I'm gonna record what he's doing and stuff like that, and I'll be trying to like help him out and stuff. I don't know if he's gonna do the whole thing. Depending on how long he takes, my sister might take over because he has work tomorrow. So you guys, before he gets here, I'm gonna attempt to put some oil in my hair. So you guys, this is my oil once again. You guys, make sure you guys follow me and stuff like that. I'm gonna put my Instagram, my business Instagram up here because I'm trying to reach it to 500 before we launch. But you guys, make sure you guys stay tuned for my oil. It's coming out really soon. I've been working on it for the last couple of months, so make sure you guys stay tuned. It's, you know, about to launch very soon. If you guys have any questions, leave it down below. I can actually do stuff, you guys. So the wound is like right here, and like when I retwist, it's like, and I can't really put this hand all the way up. This hand, this little pinky right there. So I have to do everything with like these 3 to 4 hands. So I can still do a lot of stuff. It's just some specific stuff I can't do, like styling my hair. I can't really do unless it's like something really easy, like oiling my scalp and all that stuff, moisturizing it. That I can do. But other than that, you guys, I can't really do much when it comes to styling or retwisting my hair. And I'm just gonna put some oil, some jojoba and Jamaican black castor oil in the edge of my hair. Say it again, babe.
Hello guys, as you guys can see, I'm about to do her hair retwist, you know. Yeah, I've been practicing for like two weeks.
2 weeks. He's been practicing for 2 weeks.
And today gonna show her that I'm the best. Okay. I can do better.
Okay. All right. What you gonna do first, babe?
What was the name of that?
This is rose water and other stuff in there.
So I'm gonna spray your hair with rose water. And make the dread.
My locks. I don't call them dreads. I call them locks. Massage it a bit. You don't know what he's doing. Massage it a little bit. Babe, about pet. Yes, we gotta get in there, babe. Yes, that feels good. That feels good. All right, so now you're gonna.
I don't charge a lot.
You don't charge a lot.
So only $20.
I don't know. A retwist, it's not cheap. Oh, ow, babe! You gotta be careful. Like, wait. But you gotta put it all the way up because you're starting from the back. So you gotta like put all. Okay, so I'm gonna, okay. So I'm gonna put my hair down, and then you to make it easier for you. Ow! Oh my God. Okay. All right. So tie it, not too tight, but tight enough for it to stay. Do 2 of them. 2.
2?
Yeah, 2, so that it can stay.
Of course I was gonna do too.
Of course you was gonna do too, you sure?
Yeah. Okay, this is my first time. Be patient, okay?
Okay, I'm impatient. I know it's gonna take the whole night, so trust me. Okay. Okay, just 2 is fine, babe. You don't wait. Like, alright. I'm not even gonna question you, but not too tight, babe, because you're gonna pull some out too, so.
Everything's perfect. Everything's beautiful.
Okay.
So, don't worry. I'm gonna get you the good.
You gonna what?
I'm gonna get you good.
Okay, make sure the line is, try to do the line the best you can, okay?
How am I gonna do
No
that?
pressure, huh? I don't know, baby. You figure it out. You're smart.
With my hand?
Yeah, just fix it. Just, like if you see a hair that's not right, just fix it. You see? You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You got it. You got it. Okay. So far it feels okay. I mean, it feels like it's attached to another one, but...
No. Oh, so what?
Okay. Alright. 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 We are about halfway, I think. Yeah, I think we're about halfway done. And he's actually doing pretty good. Doing actually really good, actually, because I wasn't sure what to expect. But it actually looks really good, you guys. I'm going to show you guys the back. We took some pictures. So I'll show you guys the back. Let me show you. And once I'm done, y'all, we are almost done. He did it actually pretty quick. I feel like, babe, it was like 1 hour, I think, right? Yeah, like no, 1 hour and 30 minutes, because you came here right before 10 o'clock, right? Mm-hmm. We started like right away, and right now it's 11:30, you guys, and he's basically done. He just have the front left, and that was gonna be done. Like, yeah, I'm probably show you guys the result tomorrow once it's all dried up and everything. Ooh, yeah, like the front of my hair is so sensitive, guys, it's ridiculous. Period. All right, y'all, so I am done. It actually looks really good. Okay, guys, I helped him with the front because of the you know, just to make sure the parting is clean. But you guys, everything else, like I only helped him with like literally the front, like these ones. But everything else, you guys, he did. Yeah, you guys, so he did really good. He did really good. Like I was expecting worse. And you guys, he did it really quick because it's what 11:48, and we started like at 10, right? Yeah, so he did really good. Let me know down below what you got, if you guys think he did good, because I think he did pretty good. I'm gonna go drive him because it's late and I want to go to sleep. I did good. You said what? You said?
I did good.
Okay, yeah, he did good. Yeah. But anyways, you guys, I'm going to for your first time, you did really good. But yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna show you guys the final results tomorrow once they're dry and I have the clips out. So say goodbye, babe. Hey guys, so we are back, you guys. So it is the next day. I blow dried it a little bit last night, and for the most part it's pretty dry. I did my edges just so you know I can look a little presentable for y'all. But you guys, yeah, the hair turned out pretty well, pretty good, you guys. I don't know how the back looks like because, you know, I don't know how the back of my hair looks like, but I think he did pretty good. Like, I wanted to do a side hairstyle. I should have made him twist these ones like this side, but I didn't want to like keep on telling him what to do, you guys. So I just let him do his thing, whatever, except for the front. I helped him out with the parting because he couldn't part the front. But you guys, overall I think he did really good. Like, I thought it was, I didn't even think it was gonna hold at all, but it's not, you know, 100%, but he did pretty good, guys. But I'm gonna go around in the back and show you guys the back so you guys can be the judge. But yeah, you guys, that is about it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you you know, if he did good, if he didn't do good. Let me know what y'all think, because I think he did pretty good, you guys. Like, my hair looks like, it looks so much better than I expected. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and my business page for more information, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.